My name is Felipe Martinez Cornaro. I'm a PMA here at San Jose Beach. I do a little bit of everything, which is great because if you want to move up, you have to know a little bit of everything. Out of high school, I went to the military originally. That really helped shape me to who I am right now. Like I have a really hardworking ethic. I was in the 3rd ACR, it's a cavalry unit, and they are like our saying was like no slack. Basically, whatever you do, you do the best of your ability. Initially, my mom worked for the state parks as a PMA in Doheny, and the parks was the best route for me. The way I see it, it's a big family right here. It's a really, I feel like they welcome you here as long as you have a good work ethic. The parks, they want you to learn, they want you to promote. That's one of the best things about the parks. Like if you have the drive and you have the will to move up, they'll find a way to help you. My name is Felipe Martinez Cornaro. I'm a PMA here at San Jose Beach, and I'm living the parks life.